I'm feeling like, if y'all know him as Diddy now, but back when he used to wear these, he was known as Puff Daddy. I'm feeling like Puff Daddy in 01 right now.
Hey, I hate to interrupt, but can you put my shoes on me? I can't bend over.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try to start getting ready now because my makeup artist is on her way in like half an hour. I still haven't taken a body shower, washed my face or anything. But you guys, today has been stressful. I mean, we explained to you guys at the beginning how we had to change such a big part of this baby shower, but I'm trying really hard to stay positive, and we're uploading a video right now. It's actually about to upload in a second, but I just uploaded it and I was like, okay, great. Like now I can focus on like getting ready. And I swear 2 seconds later, copyright claim. And in the video, I swear it was like 5 seconds, I'm singing along to Sex With Me by Rihanna, and we got copyrighted for that. Oh my gosh, like when I saw that, I was like, today is just the day of L's, you know, like I'm just gonna accept this L and just move on. So I edited that part out. I'm re-uploading the video right now. We are on day 9 hair. Like I'm looking crazy. Need to wash my face. I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Like we mentioned at the beginning, like that's how I got woken up. It was like shaking me like, Nas, we gotta change plans for this baby shower. So we're just really lucky that it's just a change of plans of it being inside the house versus outside, because I couldn't imagine trying to find a last minute venue right now. I really think I would just have to cancel because that would have just been too much. But again, as we mentioned at the beginning, our team, our party planners are so great. Like they just made me feel very reassured. They're like, we got a change of plans. Let's get to work. You know, they didn't waste any time, which I really appreciate. Thank you, babe. No, but like still, I was so hungry. Thank you. So in a day of an event, I like don't eat.
Oh yeah.
I'm so like,
It's crazy.
all over the place. That's why I said like we should end by 2, so I have an hour to like take pictures and yeah, because I don't want to be done and people are already here. I got cream cheese on you?
No.
Okay, I was like. Hello, beautiful. Hi, everyone. How are you? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Everything looks great. Is this your mom?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Salam, salam. Hanım Chatori.
She's Persian Armenian.
Yeah. Yes, we have all the Middle Easterners here.
You guys are so Middle Eastern with your all black to a baby shower. Like, are you guys at a funeral or a baby shower?
Okay, first of all, in our industry, this is what we wear.
She had her. You had just one natural, huh? Or all three? You did all three of us natural? Yeah.
Okay, how great did your photos turn out?
I know they looked so
Are you gonna have printed out? I feel like
there's some printed downstairs.
I want one for sure.
Oh no, like as a poster, but
They did the one with the block.
I can send it to you.
A print out.
Yeah.
For my fridge. Damn, you got a daddy.
No.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hello there. How are you? You look so beautiful. I'm Sylvia. Nice to finally meet you. Hi, I'm Sylvia. Oh, sorry. Nice to meet you. You ladies smell good and look great.
You're stepping a little bit out of the camera.
Oh, are you filming? Oh my god,
No, it's okay.
Pay
It's okay.
attention.
I got accents. So I just finished getting glammed. So I have to take these clips out my hair, but here's my hair and makeup. I love how it turned out. And luckily, the dress still fits me. It fit me a few weeks ago and I was scared it wasn't gonna fit because my belly's gone bigger, but it fits. My mom looks so cute and she's staring at me. But this dress is from Revolve. It's literally like the perfect shade of baby blue. And it looks good with the bump. And here's the bottom of it. You wanna show your outfit, Mel?
You know, all white.
Sean John.
Sean John, the mid-top forces.
Dude,
Peep the shirt. I'm the man behind the bump, just so y'all don't get confused.
so as a joke, I told Mel, I was like, you should get an all-white Sean John tracksuit. Somehow, he literally found it.
You know, life ain't no game. I don't play jokes.
So handsome, baby. Okay, so update on the wind. The wind has definitely settled down since we showed you guys earlier. See, like the like tent isn't flying away. But I haven't seen downstairs, but everybody's telling me that downstairs looks so amazing that you wouldn't have even known that there's been a change of plans. So really happy about that.
Reaction.
You have a reaction? Okay.
Your teeth.
I'm gonna leave quick, okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, that's the trick. Get it all out.
I'm feeling like If y'all know him as Diddy now, but back when he used to wear these, he was known as Puff Daddy. I'm feeling like Puff Daddy in 01 right now.
Baby, I hate to interrupt, but can you put my shoes on me? I can't bend over.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here, just you have to lift it. Yeah, like that. Thank you. And then lift it. Thanks.